Hey everyone, this is Draconic Melodies. Used to go by the name Rock and Sand on YouTube, but I'm now Draconic Melodies, and doing a little nature hike today where I share my experience with y'all. Nice little park here, and so I'll show you around too. It's kind of like a little creek that flows through it. And there's like a meadow this way. For a day, be a good day, a good hike, and fire is just right. I think the trail system starts here. Very nice too once you get down into the trail. Let's go across this meadow first. Pretty big field here. Some of that creek, I think, flows straight through there from over here, like in our area. A lot of plant life grew over here though, so I'm not sure if it'll be open. Nice breeze out here too, though. I think this park's called, if my memory's right, it's called Marrela Basil Park. It's pretty scenic once you get past this area. It's really nice. It's located out here in Greece, New York Park. It's kind of getting close to the end point where the field is. There's expressway here too on the side, left side. Forest parts in here, if you can see. scenery is pretty nice. If I ain't know any better, I'd say I'm at like a state forest. That's how nice the scenery is. Definitely good day to enjoy this hike. Kind of swampy down this way, you can see. It's mostly an extension of the creek. But there are times where it overflows right up down there too. This little spot's pretty good too if you just want to get back and relax. Always pull up a chair. There's one like lower meadow area there. You keep going up further here, you'll find the creek eventually. It's like a bridge. Sort of like other little trail areas you can take too. This is one we're heading right towards right now. A little bridge up ahead. Show you more of the creek too. A lot of sand here too. kind of like what the creek looks like once you go further down. It's pretty big too. Show you another section of it where it gets a little deeper. After that, I'll probably head towards the bridge area. Show you what it kind of looks like there too. Where it gets deeper and wider as you go ahead. Like once you go over here, it's sort of a little wider. Might be, depending on the time of year, it might be good for some certain species of fish. It gets deep enough. You're going to get further out this way, so where the wider stretch picks up. Like, right about here, I think. It's got like a bigger stretch. Because maybe a few feet deeper, you probably get a few different species here and there. Probably come swimming in, as far as fish goes. Anyways, I'll show you the bridge area. Take a U-turn. Go back. Head back down this way, then get to the bridge. Kind of like an alternative stairway down there. Here's the bridge. I think they have some beaver dams on both sides. Partially dammed off over here, and then even more so on this side. I think the exit's up this way. A little ways from here, but an exit too. Pretty scenic. You gotta keep going this way. My memory serves me right. You keep going this way. You eventually take a left. Here's another section of the creek too, a little more up close. Very nice over here. A lot of mud over here though. See if we can get around a lot of this mud. Probably isn't the best path back up until you pass the muddy spots. There we go. I think they put some logs there for crossing too. So you can always cross them without stepping in the marshy stuff. Like, take your time on these logs and they'll do you good. Sort of walk across them. Keep it balanced and you're good to go. You're pretty much up that way. Pretty much a trail as far as that goes. That's a log system that has crossed. Kind of swampy down that way. It's kind of like a cement trail the rest of the way from here. Anyways, I appreciate you guys checking out my content today. I hope you all enjoyed the video. Farewell till next time.